Hey guys, this is Paul, and this is the brand new iPhone 12 mini. I just got this guy in the mail less than 30 minutes ago, and this is probably the most excited I think I've ever been for an iPhone. I'm someone who tends to like smaller phones. When the iPhone SE came out, I actually downgraded from the iPhone 11 Pro just because I like this smaller form factor. And so the 12 mini really feels like it's gonna be the perfect phone for me because it's got the updated specs, it has the same processor as the iPhone 12, but it also has that edge-to-edge display that the SE doesn't have, as well as a wide-angle camera, which I really miss from my iPhone 11 Pro. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox this guy and give you all a quick size comparison to the other smallest iPhone, the iPhone SE. So let's go ahead and take this plastic wrap off. And just looking at the box, you can just tell how small this phone is going to be. Obviously the boxes are smaller because Apple no longer includes the power adapter, so it is a little bit thinner than the older iPhone boxes that we've seen. We'll go ahead and open the box, and there's the 12 mini itself. Set that aside for just a second, and the only other things we get are the USB-C to Lightning cable. And what's in here? We have a SIM card adapter, some stickers, and some manuals. So very simple unboxing experience. We'll set that box aside and take a closer look at the 12 mini. So let's go ahead and peel off this screen protector here. Wow, this phone, I already love the feel of this phone in my hand. I have relatively small hands. That's probably why I like the SE so much. But even just a quick size comparison between the two, the 12 actually has a smaller footprint than the SE. That is crazy considering that it has a much larger display. Thickness wise, it's a little bit thicker than the SE. They feel like they're very similar weights. And then on the back, obviously the 12 mini has that additional wide angle camera that I don't have on the SE. So I'm really looking forward to using that. Another one of the biggest changes to the new iPhone lineup in general is just how squared off all these edges are. To me, it gives it a very modern and futuristic look. I think this phone looks incredible upon first impression. So we're gonna go ahead and turn it on and see how that screen looks when it's powered on. Okay guys, this is about an hour and a half later. I had to drive all the way across town to actually get this iPhone activated with T-Mobile, but here it is up and running. And the main thing I notice is just the screen difference between these two. So the 12 Pro just uses so much more of that screen real estate, and it's also noticeably sharper than the iPhone SE. The iPhone 12 mini actually has the highest pixel density of any iPhone out there, and it is definitely super sharp. You might not be able to tell over video, but it's just a noticeably better screen than the iPhone SE. As far as feel in the hand, if you have smaller hands like me, this iPhone is perfect because you can still reach all the corners of the display. And of course, as I mentioned earlier, we also have that wide angle camera. So we'll go ahead and do a quick comparison. This is the normal camera, just took a picture, and now we'll go to the wide angle camera. And there we go, so that's the difference. So I think that's about everything for this unboxing video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I cannot wait to do some more testing with the 12 mini as my daily driver. And who knows, this might become my daily driver for the next 2 years or so. So I'm really excited to do some more testing. Hopefully the battery life is okay. That's one of the things I'm a little concerned about with such a small form factor and the larger display. But we'll just see how things go over the next couple weeks, and my full review should be coming very shortly. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.